Well. The World Cup started with 32 teams and it's now down to 2. And trust me, the way this World Cup has gone, France versus Argentina is a pretty conventional final. 2 big teams, 2 original contenders have survived all the scares and are into the championship game. Both have 2 World Cup titles, with France looking to be the first back-to-back winners since Brazil in 1958 and 62. I want to point out another irony in this final. It's an all-white Argentina from South America versus France, a predominantly black team from Europe. Of course, we're hearing all these grumbles about how appropriate or inappropriate it is for Jamaicans to be supporting an all-white Argentina team with their history of racial cleansing. But look, why are we complicating the World Cup like that? People need to do this kind of deep historical background checks on a country before we decide whether we like a football team or not. That's crazy. That means we can't support teams like Brazil, worse, England. I want to tell you, even Jamaica. Yes. How far back do you want to go? How far back?